The year is about to end, and it's time again to create a new planner for the new year. So, if you're looking to create a passive income using their Amazon, then you can head over and then go and then create a planner like this one. So, for example, as you can see, this one is ranging around $19, and they have a lot of sales for this one. As you can see, this one is 2K bought, this one 10K bought for 21K or $21. That's actually a lot of income for just a very basic planner. So I'll actually tell you how to do that on your own in order to create your own passive income without doing anything more after designing the whole planner. So to do that, let's head right here to our Canva. And then from in there, you can go right here to your search bar and search in here for planner. Now, once you have done that, it will show you some planner templates. So here's some view only option as well. So you have in here some planner for this and also this one, sales tracker, monthly lesson planner, student planner. So it actually depends on which type of planner you want. So since we're looking to create a planner for the new year, so let's put in here annual planner. So from in there, you should be able to see the annual planners for this one. We have annual planners for your budgets. We have in here for your yearly planners as well as annual goal planner as well. For this one, let's just choose in here one that we think is really good. Let's choose in here this. Let's click on it. And then once you have clicked on it, click onto this customize this template. And then from there, it will utilize this template into our design. So here's our planner right now. For me, it looks kind of tacky, so I will remove some elements right here. So for example, you dream to create a minimalist planner, then something like a lot of elements is not good for you. So for this one, I'll head over and then just click onto the three dots right here, scroll down, and then click onto the layers in order to align those into the page. So let me just head over and click on layers right here. Click on show all layers. And then let's remove everything aside from this planners option right here. So let's remove everything. As you can see, there's a lot of elements and it's kind of overwhelming. I don't recommend something like this. Now let's remove all of this ice cream cake. And once we have done that, let's put in here a planner that we can utilize. You can head over here to your elements and click on the search element and search in here for minimalist. Let's search in here for minimalist design. Head over to your photos and then just choose in here a planner design background that you think will be best. So I'll head over and choose in here this couch, and as you can see, it's already been added already. Now for this one, just right click onto this photo, scroll down and click onto the set image as background. Now as you can see, we now have this. Now we don't want something like this because it actually makes the design tacky. So let's click onto this particular pink part and click onto this color. And then let's choose in here the color by using something brown. Like for example, let's use the right color of brown right here. Let's use something that is more earth tone. Something like this. Now in here, you can also utilize or change your particular font that we have right there. You can change it to your liking. And you can also click onto this effects right here and remove that splice effect. It's really not good. You can utilize a lift effect as well if you want, or a shadow effect if you want a thinner looking more. Now in here, let's actually make the 2025 part bigger and let's apply a lift to that. Now as you can see, it's looking much more okay than earlier. Now we have in here this personal information. So as you can see, this design is not aligned to the front page that we have right here. So what we can do is we can utilize our color palettes. To do that, just head over right here. You can head over and then just add this image that we have added in here earlier. So for example, let's copy or let's add in here that particular image again. Once it's been added, just right click on it. But I don't need you to set this image as the background. What we can do next is we can head over and scroll on and click on this apply colors to page. Once you have done that, as you can see, it will apply the colors of gray and on the tint of particularly brown. So let's change that right here into something browny. And then click on change all right here in order to change everything to that. So let's change that right here. And it looks like this. Let's also change this gray right here into something light brown. So let's change that into like this. And as you can see, it looks really good now. Now for the next one, we have in here the subscription details. You can input right here. Or for example, if you have some parts that you want to remove, you can head over and click onto this delete page or to this trash can icon. Click on this in order to remove it. Now for this one, we have in here the smart goals. So in order to do this color scheme in here as well, you can head over and then utilize it again into what we have earlier for this particular background. So let's do this. Click onto this pink thing right here and let's choose this brownish thing and click onto this change all. Let's click onto this part, or you can also change it if you would want as well. Let's click onto this particular pink or this particular purple part and let's change it into brownish theme or earth theme again. Something like this, I think. So let's use it. Let's use something like this and click onto this change all. Let's click onto this pink in here again and then let's change it into something as well. Let's choose the brown and let's change it up. We have in here something like this. Now let's just choose this as our color now and then you can utilize it to every color that you want added. Then click on change all if you would want and apply it all together. Now once you have done that, you can head over and then apply all of this in here as well to on the next page. We have in here our 2025 goals. This one is very important since this is 2025 planner. So in here, we have in here a lot of page of our planner. We have around 50 plus pages for this particular template. What you can do is you can just head over and then just change up the colors that we have right here into what we want to use for our own planner. Once we have done that, next thing we need to do is to just click on the share option and then click on this download option. Then after that, just head over right here to your PDF. Make sure to save it as a PDF and make sure to apply all pages. Once we have done that, click onto this download option and it should be able to download this planner that you have right here. Now, once you have downloaded this planner, the next thing that we need to do is we need to head over and then add it to Amazon in order to sell it to other people. Once you have downloaded it, head over here to a new tab and then go to Amazon Seller. So let's search in here for that. And then from in there, we can see in here this become an Amazon global seller. Click on it right here. And then from in there, just click on to this sign up option. So it will actually ask you some details in order to sign up as their own Amazon seller. Just input right here your own mobile or phone number. If you don't have an actual account yet, you can head over and then click onto this create your Amazon account. Now, once you have done that, you can just input your name, your email, your password, and re-enter it. So, on some cases, they may ask you for OTP or one-time password or password. You can head over and then just give that to them. Now, once you have successfully registered to Amazon, you can just upload this planner that we have made on Canva in order to give it to them. Take note that Canva also have some policies about selling their work created onto their platform and make sure to read the fine print on that in order to not get terminated. So that's all for now. I wish you a lot more journey or a lot more good luck on your 2025 year. I hope you appreciate this kind of video and I hope you think and just click onto that subscribe button. Oh, before I forget, I attach a free Canva template that you can use right now to save time and make your design stand out. If you want, I can actually link this particular planner for you in order to make this your guide. So whether designing a planner like this one, or creating a presentation or a social media post, that template I will provide you below will give you a head start to everything. If you want more freebies like this and all the best Canva tips, tricks, and hacks, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below in order to stay updated to our content. Your next creative masterpiece is just one click away. Make sure to just hit the subscribe button in order to get notified. That's all. Thanks. Bye.